Thanks for opening this video. Welcome to my channel and I hope you all are well. Guys, as a Windows user you may face virus attack, Windows error, software error and many other errors and problems. Most of the time we install Windows to fix these errors and problems. Not only that, after installing Windows, we also have to install drivers, necessary softwares on our computer. In addition, after reinstalling Windows, many necessary softwares cannot be found or have to be installed from the scratch, which takes a lot of time. But by doing little tricks, we can solve all these problems and save our important time. The tricks is nothing but just create a backup image of our computer. As a result, when we will get a serious error in our computer, we will be able to restore our computer. Also, we do not have to install Windows drivers or softwares on our computer again. The computer will go back to the state it was when we have taken the backup. So in this video, I'll show you how you can take this backup and restore your computer. So no more waste time, let's start. So guys, for this process, first go to the control panel from the start menu. Now from here, click on backup and restore. Then click on create a system image. Here you can see one new page. Where do you want to save the backup? So you can save your system image backup on your hard disk or DVD, or you can save it on a network location. I like to save this backup on my hard disk. So I am selecting one of my hard disk drive, this one. Then click on next. Now from here you can also include more drives on your backup, but remember it will increase your backup file size. Guys, here you can see space required is showing for this backup. For me it's 42.54 GB, so make sure you have enough space on your drive for save your backup file. Then click on next and click on start backup. Okay, here you can see that the Windows system image backup has started. This process will take some time to complete. Now here you can see one notification. Do you want to create a system repair disk? We will not create a system repair disk. We will create a system repair drive. So click on no. Okay, the backup completed successfully. Okay guys, my system restore backup is done. In this way, first we have to take system backup. Now we need to create a system recovery file. For this we need to take a pendrive. Pendrive storage must be 8 GB or more. I will use this 32 GB pendrive. So I am plugging this pendrive to my computer. After plugging the pendrive, from the start menu go to the control panel. Then click on recovery. So guys, as I told you, we will create a system repair drive, not a disk. So from the advanced recovery tools, click on create a recovery drive. After that you will see this type of wizard page, create a recovery drive. Now click on next. Here you can see Windows is trying to detect my pen drive. It will take some time. Okay guys, here you can see my pen drive letter is showing, it is F. Okay, now for double check I am going to my computer. Here is my pen drive and it is letter is F. Click on next. Now here you can see one warning is showing. Everything on this drive will be deleted. If you have any personal files on this drive, make sure you have backup the files. This means when you click on the create button for creating the system recovery drive, your pen drive will format automatically. Now click on the create button after confirmation. Okay, here you can see that my system recovery drive is creating. Depending on your PC performance, it will take a good amount of time. Okay friends, my pen drive is ready for system recovery, and now I'm going to show you how you can recover your system with this recovery pen drive. Before showing this process, I'm going to install some of the program from my system so that you can understand. You will get back your full system with all your installed drivers and softwares with this system recovery pen drive. Friends, if you are a gadget lover, then you can visit AliExpress for exclusive and unique gadget at low price, and you will get a 40 to 50% discount on every product. Link in the description below. Okay guys, from the control center I installed my audio driver and some of my essential software. Now to get back my program, I'm going to restore my system with this pen drive. Now I'm going to plug in this pen drive. After plugging the pen drive, restart the PC. Now guys, go to your PC BIOS for selecting the pen drive. Okay, here is my BIOS setup menu. From this menu, go to the boot menu, then select your pen drive, or guys you can directly go to your boot menu and select your pen drive. Okay, from the keyboard layout, choose your keyboard layout. Here are some options: recovery from drive, continue, use the device, troubleshoot, and turn off your PC. From these options, click on troubleshoot. Here are some advanced options: startup repair, command prompt, install updates, UEFI firmware settings, system restore, and system image recovery. From this advanced option, click on system image recovery. Here you can see my Windows 10 system image is showing. So I'm clicking on it. Now I need to select system image backup. First one is the latest system image backup. If you have multiple system images, then select the second option and click on next. Here you can see that my system image backup list is showing. Guys, I have only one system image on my PC hard drive. That's why only one system image is showing in this list. If you have multiple system images on your PC hard drive, then you will see all your system image backup in this list. So from this list, select your system image, then click on next. Here are showing system image restoring drive and path. So select your backup restoring drive and click on next. No need to change anything here. Click on next and finally click on finish. Here is one final warning. So if you see this warning, then click on yes. Here you can see restoring the image is going on. It will automatically restore the Windows and it will take a little time for restoring. Guys, if you are a gadget lover, then you can visit aliexpress.com for exclusive and unique gadget at the best cheap price. Also, you'll get a 40 to 50% discount. AliExpress offer 1 cent shopping deal for the new user. So don't waste time shopping now. Link in the description below. Okay guys, restore finish. Click on restart now. Friends, after restarting your PC, you may see this type of errors. Don't worry, just press enter button to continue. Guys, after restoring your PC, only first time you will see this error. Next time you will not see this error. First time PC will take a little time because the PC is restored totally. Okay, my PC restored successfully. Now if I go to the control panel, install a program. Okay, here you can see all my installed program restored successfully. Filmora, Opera Mini, Firefox, Audio Driver, Microsoft Office, all program are restored successfully. So friends, in this way you can take your system backup and restore your PC with your pen drive if you find an error on your PC operating system. I hope you understand the total process and like this video. If you are, please click on the like button. Join at our forum for tech related help. Subscribe now for more videos. Comment below if you have any questions. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.